Are you wondering which tool is better for managing your documents? Today, we're comparing Paperless, NGX, and Nextcloud. Both tools help you organize and store your files digitally. They make it easier to access your documents anytime, anywhere. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Paperless-ngx. This tool focuses on document management. It lets you scan, upload, and categorize your files with ease. You can search for documents quickly and it keeps everything organized for you. Paperless-ngx is great for those who want a simple, efficient way to manage their paperwork. Now, let's look at Nextcloud. This tool is more than just a document manager. It's a full cloud storage solution. You can store files, share them with others, and even collaborate in real time. Nextcloud offers many features like calendar integration and task management, making it a versatile choice for teams and individuals alike. So, what are the key differences? Paperless NGX is specialized for document management, while Nextcloud provides a broader range of cloud services. If you need to manage lots of documents, Paperless-ngx might be the way to go. But if you want a complete cloud experience, Nextcloud is a better fit. When it comes to features, both tools have their strengths. Paperless-ngx shines in document organization, while Nextcloud excels in collaboration and sharing options. Pricing can also be a factor. Paperless NGX is often more affordable for individual users. Nextcloud offers a range of plans which can vary based on features and storage needs. In the end, if you need straightforward document management, choose Paperless NGX. If you want a full cloud solution with collaboration tools, go for Nextcloud. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.